So first tool is Jillipod AI. Let's go what's new with Jillipod AI. Introducing the all-new Jillipod AI. This incredible smart speaker is designed to help you manage your day-to-day tasks and connect with friends and family. Jillipod AI offers an extensive range of features that make your life easier and more enjoyable. Here are some of the top features of Jillipod AI. Voice control. Jillipod AI is compatible with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri, allowing you to control the device with your voice. Schedule tasks. Jillipod AI can help you schedule appointments, set reminders, and keep track of your to-do list. Smart home integration. Jillipod AI can be connected to various smart home devices like lights, thermostats, and security systems to make your life more convenient. Entertainment. Jillipod AI can play your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks, providing you with a hands-free listening experience. Multi-room audio. Jillipod AI supports multi-room audio, allowing you to play music in different rooms of your house. HD voice quality. With advanced noise cancellation technology, Jillipod AI ensures crisp and clear voice communication. Now, let's discuss some using tips for Jillipod AI. To connect your Jillipod AI, please make sure to enable Bluetooth on your device and ensure the Jillipod AI is within the range of your device. Jillipod AI is designed to be voice-controlled. Make sure to use clear and concise commands for optimal results. To customize your device, please go to the Settings menu and adjust the preferences according to your needs. Remember to regularly update your device and software to ensure the best possible experience with Jillipod AI. Lastly, check out the What's New tab for the latest updates and tutorials on how to use Jillipod AI to its fullest potential.
Link in description box, so check out.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave any comments or suggestions down below. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.